Alright guys, this is the weekly summary, okay, of the trading bot which we have been using. Okay, this is one of our accounts which started with $2,000, and the bot's name is called Megazord, right, with aggressive trading settings of a portfolio stop loss of 50%. Okay, so we started this account on the second week of January, right, with 2,000 US dollars, right? That's the minimum amount. Okay, so you can see every day the bot makes the trades except on weekends when the market are closed. Blue color is profit, red color are losses. Okay, so let's go to the end. Okay, so after 2 weeks, right, this bot has made a total profit of 407 US dollars, okay, from an account size of $2,000. Okay, so that is about 20% profit, okay, which brings us to a balance of $2,407. Okay, so I do a tracking. Okay, so over here you can see, for example, the Megazord, right? Every day I track the balance of the account, the profit and loss, okay, and the percentage change in the account balance, which is the profit percentage. Okay, so let's look at the weekly review. So on the first week we started with $2,000, okay, and ended that week with 2156. Okay, that brings us to a ROI of 7.8%. On second week, which just ended, right, we started with 2156 and ended with $2,407. So that is a profit of 11.64%. Okay, so we have bots of 3 different settings. Aggressiveness, okay, Megazord is the most aggressive, followed by Robocop, okay, which made 3.81% this week, an average of 0.76% a day. Okay, we have the most conservative, which is BumbleBee, which requires $5,000 minimum deposit. Okay, so this week BumbleBee made 5.4% return on investment with an average profit of 1.08%. Okay, so overall till date, right, BumbleBee has made 8.48% return on investment. Robocop, okay, with a minimum deposit of $3,000 with a moderate aggressiveness setting, has made a profit of 6.54%. Okay, and Megazord, being the most aggressive, of course the most risky as well, okay, has made 20.35% in the past 2 weeks. Okay, so yeah, if you have any questions about this or you want more information, reply to this video or comment below. Okay, thank you. See you.